Hi all. Today we will see how to place orders in Sharekhan application. As many of us are new to this application, so I thought to give you a demo how to use it. And now if you see on the screen, there is Sharekhan app. Just click on it. As it is already logged in, so it doesn't ask me to enter the membership password. Click on the continue, and this is the home page of Sharekhan. If you see here, you will be able to see the Indian, European, American and Asian market status. Okay, and here if you see the derivative segment in the home page, you could see all the index futures, ATM options, global indices on NSE as well, and even currency. And now if you go to market watch, might be on the top or at the bottom as well. If you see here market watch, you can see all the nifty stocks. Okay, and here if you see, click the drop down, you can see all the Sensex stocks, near future, cash big trade, and NSE futures and options big trade, FO big trade, currency. And this is the thing wherein you can create your own folder to watch your stocks. It is very easy. Just click on the plus symbol and just name something stock and submit it. What happens is a new folder is created, stock. Now you can add 50 scripts in this. Just click here, and now what you need to do is click on the plus symbol, and here you can add scripts. This is a grid. I'll tell you what is the grid system. For example, we will add one script, say PL. Okay, so this is one way of looking the script in this way, and this other way is that grid, and this is a one way of looking it. Only this can be seen, that's it. And now let me add 2-3 scripts. Add script and I tech. So what you need to do is, if I want to edit script somewhere in the top, reordering the scripts in my own way, so I can just click here and push it up. Just click here and then push it up. So in this way I can reorder scripts. If you see delete, I can, and I can pin as a default screen as well also. Okay, and this is what in short exactly what market watch option will give you. And now if you see trade quote, this is the main place where you will trade all the scripts in equity segment, future segment, options. If you have currencies also, you can do currency futures and currency option. If you have the access, you can do it. And if you see equity, so there are some stocks which are present in BSE and NSE. So both stocks can be traded in this. The simple is that if you want to purchase a stock, click here, and I want to purchase a DLF. So what I do is I will buy or sell. The thing is, one thing you should know is that if you are buying with a full complete cash, then you can hold for n number of days as you wish. But if you are selling this, then in the same day before 3 p.m. you need to sell it off. And now if you see this option, you will be seeing there are different sort of facilities provided by Sharekhan. This is one stock where it can be added directly. This is a chat system where you can see the chats of the uh, share, whether how it is moving, up and down, and you can see different segments in line system, in bar system, candle system, then area wise, then again you can see Hakin's Ashi style. Okay, and this is what, for 3 hours monthly, weekly, daily, and more. You can see the options all you have in this. So okay, this is what I've done. This is that you can see that a moving average, Bollinger Band, super trade, then again RSI, MACD. What is MACD of the particular stock, and average directional index. So there are many more options you can find in this one as. Okay, and now again here, if I could see here, other one is a detail quote. In detail quote, you will see the open and the previous close, today's high and low, 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low, how buyer, seller, how many buyers at what cost, and how many people are there in the bracket. You can see 579. Those are the people who are ready, the quantity who are ready to take. And if you see the seller 966, this is the 966 is a quantity where people are ready to sell at 22.202.90 price, and traded quantity, average price, upper band, maximum it can go to 222.65, and the lower band, traded value, there is complete volume. Okay, and this is the market depth. Market depth is the nothing but uh, where the buyers exactly are looking to purchase a stock at what price, and seller at what price seller are there. So this is what the market depth, and even the total quantity will be at the bottom, if you can see here. And these are the futures. So 27th September you want to buy, or 25th October, 29th November futures, and these are the option chains. For what strike price the call option is at, the put option is at. So this is very pretty clearly seen, and you need not search at different places. And fundamentals of the stock. So these are the fundamentals of the stock. Okay, and news, if any news are there on this particular stock, so those can be seen here. Okay, and now overview. Now I want to set an alert. For example, say DLF. Okay, now it is a 202. I will put an alert whether it is going above the support. For example, 210. If it crosses 210, then I need to buy. I need to get an alert. So I will put an alert here 210. Once DLF stock price moves for 210, then I'll get an alert that your price has crossed your alert rate. Please buy. Or less than 200. If I put it, then it gives me alert. So this is, in this way you can put the alerts as well. Okay, and now if I would like to buy, I have clicked buy, and now it's matter is that you need to enter the trading password whenever you buy. Once you are entering the trading password, it can be logged in for half an hour, and after that again automatically the trading password will be logged out. So now here, buy, normal, quantity, for example 2. If I'm buying, then I just see that it should be in GFD itself. Place order, confirm. So after the order is placed, That means once the market is open, it will be executed if the price is meeting my expectation ordered price. So now as I don't want to buy it, so I can cancel the order. Now the order is cancelled. So this order is cancelled can be seen in order book. That I will tell you where exactly you need to see, where you can find the order book. Now equity DLF, okay, buy. So I want to go for a bracket order. So leave it off bracket order. I want to go for a big trade. What is big trade? Big trade is nothing but giving you the exposure. Buy big trade, that means the system automatically considers the leverage exposure what client is eligible of. That means for intraday into 10 times, and for delivery it is 4 times. So for example, I am having an amount of 10,000, so I can buy 40,000 of shares to take it into delivery, which has a time period of t plus 4 days. So I just need to click buy big trade in the normal itself and place order. No, I want to go for a bracket order. You have three options: normal, bracket, stop loss. Bracket order is nothing but you're buying a quantity, okay, and you are putting a trigger price. For certain price it needs to be triggered, okay, that is into leverage. And then what you need to place a stop loss, because the system is giving you the leverage. Though it doesn't have the amount, the system is giving you leverage, so you need to put your stop loss, and it is a mandatory. And a target price. Target price can be changed later, but you need to put a target price, okay. And now this is sell big trade. Sell big trade is nothing but, again, you are selling a stock wherein you need to close purchase the stock by 3 p.m. itself. Else the same stocks will be going for an auction, which takes 5 days of time approximately, wherein in 5 days the highest rate will be considered and will be auctioned, and for that some penalty will be charged. So hence I request you to square it off for the same day if you are going for a sell option. And now I'm going to futures. I want to buy any of the futures, DLF. Again, I'll go for the DLF itself. DLF. So we have three futures here. 3 months ka futures: September, October, November. So what I do is that I would like to go for September. So buy. It's our wish whether you want to buy or sell. So I'm just clicking on buy. So I buy. So here when you click here big trade plus, that means it is giving you the leverage. Big trade plus. Stop loss, here you need to put the trigger price. It automatically comes bracket order, big trade plus, then quantity, price, trigger price, stop loss, and profit price. This all needs to be placed. But as the market is today closed, you could see all zeros. The price will be zero itself, as you wanted to take it in the market price. So leave it off, and trigger price you need to put the price which you want to buy, at what cost you want to buy, and then stop loss. Stop loss accordingly you put as per your leverage, like 5 points or 4 points as per set instructions, and put your profit as per set instructions, and later on you can modify your profit, not a problem, or else you can square off in the market as well. It doesn't cause you any issue as well, okay. So this is how the leverage is used. A normal buy or sell order, it will be a normal way. You're purchasing complete lot, and once you have purchased, it goes and sits in the orders, and accordingly you can square it off once you are in the profit area. So now this is how the futures can be used. And now the foremost and the main thing which we regularly do is options. So there are options. You have call option, put option here. If you're going for a call option of any script, I'll just tell you first any script. PL, let me take PL. Okay, so PL. So I would like to go for an option of PL. Directly I'll click it, buy. Okay, so buy. Then again I go for place order. Market is closed, so hence no. Place order, and then again you one more screen appears, so you need to just click on confirm. Okay, and the same way sell can be taken. Yes, I am changing it here, sell, but the same way if you click here, PEL, here the put option can be used. Even this put option also can be used for purchasing any of the lots. And if you go, if you go for a Nifty, then call or put option is yours. Click on Nifty, you will get all the Nifty thing. And the same way bank Nifty, call or put option is yours, and click on bank Nifty, you will get all the strike prices, wherein on which strike price you want to take the order. So accordingly you can click and buy or sell, that's it. So click on this and place an order. And here if you wanted to go for more lots, for example in bank Nifty you wanted to go for more lots, then just change your lot of 10 and place an order. That's it. And after that one more screen, confirm, the order will be executed. And all the orders which are executed can be seen in reports. If the order is in equity, then it can be seen in order book. As we have seen, I have cancelled the order, I have placed and I cancelled the order, so this can be seen here in the order book. Okay, in derivatives, in the same order book, all the orders placed will be seen here, options and futures. Okay, and here in order book, turnover, if I click on the turnover, what happens is, as there are no orders, the empty screen is showing. All the orders which you have placed will be seen on the turnover. And when you click on the any order which is in live, when you click on that, it shows you certain options wherein a square off is always will be seen there. Click on the square off, a screen appears, then confirm your order. The orders get squared off immediately. Okay, so net position means what are all stocks you have in equity, that will be seen here. And limit statement is nothing but how much amount you have in your account. Okay, this can be seen, how much tradable amount you have in your account will be shown here. And again DP to margin and margin to DP. DP to margin in the sense that the margin provided you on the stocks available with you, so that can be done. But on less instances, please avail it. Do not avail this DP2 margin, as your share, if you are into loss, unexpected loss, then the shares of yours might be sold out in the market by the Sharekhan itself. Okay, and this is of exchange transfer. Okay, this is exchange transfer in the sense BSE to NSE or NSE to BSE, you can exchange your equity shares. Okay, and this is a trade report wherein what are all the trades you have done for the day will be seen in the trade report. Okay, and unsettled position is that wherein if any unsettled equity stocks are there and which needs to be settled in your account, so that those are all stocks can be seen here. And this is an intraday limit. And if you go for derivatives, as I already told you, order book, turnover is that wherein the live trades what you have done will be in the turnover. And when you want to close it off, just click on that square off option will be seen. Just click on the square off, and then if you want to change the rate, you can change the rate and square it off, or else market, you can execute in the market rate. UL margin is nothing but what are all I have taken previously will be seen here. This is a limit statement. Again, the same how much net tradable trading amount is there in my account can be seen here, and the trade report is nothing but what are all trades I have done will be seen here. And then now more is that this is the home screen wherein you can see many options like home, market watch, which you already seen here. Portfolio is nothing but if you click on the portfolio, what are all stocks you have, how much worth of stocks you have, how much amount of mutual funds you have, and the status can be seen here. Okay, and here is that fund transfer. It's very easy. Fund transfer is absolutely easy in this. Uh, you need to put your trading password. Okay, as that is a little bit troubling me now. And here if you see cash transfer, cash withdraw, if I click on equity cash transfer, for example, you say, so I would like to move rupees, for example 5,000, I will put it. Okay, I would like to move rupees 5,000 from my bank to Sharekhan account. That is what is clearly written, cash transfer. I would like to move rupees 5,000 from account number this one. Then move cash. It will take you to site, and once you are done with all your form process steps of moving cash, logging in, and again someone will get OTPs as well. So when you put it, the cash will be transferred into the Sharekhan account. And here equity cash withdraw. That means I am withdrawing cash from my equity account to bank account. The same way mutual fund also. And allocate funds is nothing but if you have some funds in your equity segment, and probably tomorrow, just tomorrow, you are having an SIP which the amount needs to be deducted, then what you can do is you can allocate your funds. Just click on allocate funds. I would like to move 1 rupee, for example, 1 rupee from trading account to mutual fund account. Transfer fund. Done. The transfer is done. See, you can see 1 rupee in the mutual fund balance. In the same way, if I see 1 rupee from mutual fund account to trading account, transfer fund, transfer. If you can see 0 in the mutual fund. So it is very easy and perfect. What do you call it, as a handy system where you can transfer the funds into your accounts on an instant basis. And this is a small gist of using a Sharekhan app. And if any doubts or any clarifications you need, you can please call me on 9966909096 so that I can help you out if any doubts you have. Thank you for sparing time, and have a great day.